Hello, everyone, and welcome back where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It is so wonderful to be here with you all today. I am very happy to see you.
I am happy too, Paul. It is a very special time of year. The studio feels very cozy today.
Yes, it does. It feels warm and friendly. Emily, how are you today? Are you tired or are you full of energy?
I am great, thank you. But I am a little tired, a happy tired, because we had a big holiday.
Yes, we did. Today, we have a very special episode. We are going to talk about Christmas.
Ooh, I love Christmas. But Paul, Christmas is finished now. It is over.
That is true. So today, we will talk about the past. We will use the past tense.
The past tense. This is very important for our listeners. We often talk about what we did yesterday or last week.
Exactly. So today, we will answer the big question, how was your Christmas?
That is a great topic. We can share stories and learn new words.
I agree. But Emily, before we start our stories, we have a small job to do.
Yes, a very important job. To all our friends listening, please remember to subscribe.
Yes, please click the red button. And if you like our podcasts, please click the like button, the thumbs up.
It helps us so much. And please share this episode with your friends. Maybe your friends want to learn English too.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, Emily, let's start. I am very curious. How was your Christmas celebration?
Oh, Paul, it was wonderful. It was very busy, but very good.
Busy? Why was it busy?
Well, I did not stay home. I traveled. I went to my parents' house.
Ah, you went. That is the past of go. You went to your parents' house. Was it far?
Yes, it was a little far. I drove my car for 3 hours.
Wow, 3 hours. That is a long drive. Was there a lot of traffic?
Yes. There were many, many cars. Everyone was traveling. But I listened to music in the car, so I was happy.
That is good. Music helps with traffic. So you arrived at your parents' house. Who was there?
Everyone. My mom, my dad, my sister, and my grandmother. It was a full house.
A full house is nice. It sounds very lively. What did you do when you arrived?
We talked. We talked for a long time, and then we cooked.
Cooking. Christmas is all about food. What did you cook?
We cooked a very big dinner. My mom cooked a turkey, a huge turkey.
Delicious. Turkey is traditional. Did you help her?
Yes, I helped. I peeled the potatoes. Lots and lots of potatoes.
That is hard work, but mashed potatoes are very good.
They are. We also had vegetables, carrots and peas, and we had a special sauce, gravy.
Gravy. I love gravy on turkey. So you cooked and then you ate.
Yes, we ate dinner together. The table was beautiful. My mom put red candles on the table.
That sounds very nice. Red candles are very festive.
Paul, we ate so much food. I was so full. My stomach was round.
Me too, Emily. Me too. Eating is the best part of the holiday.
So that was my dinner. Paul, how was your Christmas? Did you travel too?
No, I did not travel. I stayed home this year.
You stayed home. That sounds very relaxing.
It was. It was very quiet. I wanted a calm holiday. I did not drive my car. I did not see traffic.
You were lucky. No traffic. So what did you do at home?
Well, I woke up very late. I slept until 10 a.m.
10 a.m. Wow, that is a good sleep. You were tired from work.
Yes, very tired, so I slept. Then I made a special breakfast.
Ooh, what did you make? Pancakes?
Yes, how did you know? I made banana pancakes.
Banana pancakes. That sounds delicious. Did you use syrup?
Yes, lots of maple syrup. It was very sweet and very good.
And after breakfast, did you watch TV?
Yes, I did. I watched a movie. I watched a Christmas movie.
Which one? There are so many good movies.
I watched Home Alone. It is a classic.
Oh, I love that movie. It is very funny. The boy is very smart.
Yes, I laughed a lot. It is good to laugh on Christmas.
So you watched a movie. Did you cook a big dinner too?
Well, no, I did not cook a turkey. Turkey is too big for just me.
That is true. So what did you eat?
I roasted a chicken, a small chicken. It was very easy.
Roasted chicken is very good too. Did you have dessert?
Of course, you cannot have Christmas without dessert. I ate a slice of chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake. I had apple pie. My grandmother baked an apple pie.
Baked, that is a good word. Past tense of bake. Your grandmother baked a pie.
Yes, it was warm and sweet. We ate it with ice cream.
Ice cream and pie. That is the perfect combination.
Paul, did you receive any gifts? Any presents?
Yes, I did. I received a very nice gift from my brother.
Oh, what was it?
He gave me a new sweater, a blue sweater. It is very soft.
A blue sweater. That is nice. You look good in blue.
Thank you, Emily. And what about you? Did you get any gifts?
Yes, my sister gave me a book. I love reading.
A book is a great gift. Is it a long book?
Yes, very long, but I am excited to read it.
We also give gifts, right? Not just receive.
Yes, that is true. Giving is very important. I gave my dad a new watch.
A watch. That is a special gift. Was he happy?
He was very happy. He smiled big. He put it on his wrist immediately.
That is a great feeling when someone likes your gift.
It is. Paul, what about the decorations? Did you have a tree?
Yes, I had a Christmas tree, a small green tree in my living room.
Did it have lights?
Yes, it had white lights and gold balls. It looked very pretty at night.
I love Christmas lights. At my parents' house, the tree was very big. It touched the ceiling.
The ceiling? Wow, that is a tall tree.
Yes, we decorated it together. We put a big star on the top.
The star on top is the best part.
Paul, what did you do after dinner?
After dinner, I was very full, like you. So I sat on the sofa. I called my friends on the phone.
Ah, nice. You talked to your friends.
Yes, I said Merry Christmas to them. It was nice to hear their voices. And you?
We played games. My family loves games. We played cards.
Cards? Who won?
My grandmother won. She is very good at cards.
Grandmothers are always the best at games. They are very smart.
Yes, she beat us all. We laughed so much.
That sounds like so much fun, Emily. A house full of people, food, and games.
It was. But Paul, your Christmas sounds nice too. Quiet, relaxing, and good pancakes.
Yes, both are good ways to celebrate.
And now Christmas is past. We are back at work.
Yes, back to reality. But we have good memories.
Exactly. Memories are important.
Emily, I noticed we used many past tense words today.
We did. It is easy when you tell a story.
Listeners, did you hear the verbs changing?
Yes, let's think about them. Usually, we add ed to the end of a word.
Right, like cook becomes cooked.
And watch becomes watched. You watched a movie.
And play becomes played. You played cards.
Those are the easy ones. They are regular, but English has some tricky words too.
Oh, yes, the irregular ones. They change completely.
Like go. We don't say goed. No.
No, goed is not a word. We say went. I went home.
And eat, we don't say eated, we say ate. I ate turkey.
And have, we say had. We had a good time.
These words are very common. It is good to practice them.
Yes, the more you use them, the easier they become.
Exactly. Just tell stories. Tell your friend what you did yesterday.
Or tell your dog. Practice speaking out loud.
Yes, your dog is a good listener.
Oh, Emily, I am feeling hungry again talking about all this food.
Me too. Maybe we should eat lunch soon.
Good idea. But first, let's do a quick recap for our friends.
Yes, let's remember the main things from our chat today.
It was a fun chat. We talked all about our Christmas celebrations, but focused on the past.
Yes, we remembered that for many actions, we just add that little sound at the end, like how I cooked and you watched TV. Simple.
Right, but we also remembered those special funny words that change, like how you went to your parents' house and I sat on my sofa.
Exactly. And we talked about the difference between a busy holiday like mine with travel and games,
And a quiet holiday, like mine, with sleep and movies. Both are great.
yes, the important part is being happy and safe.
That is a perfect summary, Emily.
Thank you, Paul.
Well, everyone, we are almost finished for today.
But before we go, we have one question for you.
Yes, we want to hear your stories. In the comments below, please tell us, what did you eat for your holiday meal?
Ooh, good question. Did you eat turkey or fish or pizza?
Tell us in the comments. Use the past tense. Say, I ate.
We love reading your comments. It makes us very happy.
And please don't forget to subscribe and share this video.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope you had a wonderful holiday.
Yes, thank you everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.